Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Bisla and today I am discussing about the topic of final account, which is the part of financial accounting. So in the our index, the main contents are introduction component of final account and which is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. First of all, discuss about the final account. Final account is the various account and statements that provide the information related to the progress of the company, and it is the full and final statement which is carried out at the end of the final year. So now discuss about the needs and importance of a final account. Final account is prepared for the know the result of a business and the position of a business. And the second one is to get the loan from the financial institute or to access the income tax, to conduct the comparative study and to assist the management about the business. So in the fifth slide, to know about the component of a final account, the main component of a final account is trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So discuss about the trading account. Trading account, trading means the concern related to the purchase or sales of finishing goods. The main importance and needs of the trading account is to show the ratio between the cost of goods sold and gross profit. To provide the information regarding the efficiency of trading activity, it helps to provide the information regarding closing stocks. Move into the next slide. So now discuss about the trading account, in which you have two parts, which is the first part is debit side and the other side is credit side. In the format shows the opening stock sales and the expenses related to the trading of goods from raw material to the final product. If the debit side is higher than the credit side, which means the loss of a business, and the other side, if the credit side is higher than the debit side, which means the profit of a business. So now let's move on the next slide. The next slide is our profit and loss account, which is profit and loss account is mainly prepared for the profit or loss of a business in the financial year. In income statements, focus on the main two topics. Inflows means the revenue of a company, and the outflow means the expense of a company. If revenue exceed the expenses, it means the net profit or net income or net earning of a business or company. If the uh, expenses exceed the revenue, then means the net loss of a company. The main importance and profit and loss account is to provide the information about the net profit earned or loss suffered by a business. And the second one is it helps to taking the effective control step to analyze the various expenses listed in the profit and loss account of two accounting period. Now the format of the profit and loss account, in which one side is debit side and the other side is credit side. If the expenses of the company, which is shown in the uh, debit side of the chart, and the revenue which is generated from the business is shown in the credit side of the profit and loss account. So now let's move on the last component of final account, which is balance sheet. Balance sheet is the final phase of accounting cycle. It is a mirror which reflects the true position of a assets and liability of a business at a particular date. The main item of balance sheet is assets and liabilities. Assets Assets are the resource with the economic value that a business own or control, and expected to provide the future benefits. Uh, the assets are main two types, fixed assets and current assets. And the other part is liabilities. Liabilities are the financial obligations for debts that a company owes to others. The liabilities are also two types, current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Needs and importance of a balance sheet. Needs and importance of balance sheet is the it is tell about the financial position of a firm, tells about the liquidity position of a firm, tells about the balance of debtors and creditors, tells about the liabilities and assets of a company, and tells about the economic capability of a firm, opening entry based on the balance sheet. So the final phase of our topic is format of a balance sheet. When the one side shown the liability and the other side is show the assets of a business. Our topic related to the final account is covered, in which we have discussed about the detailed discussion about the final account and the component of a final account, which is trading account, profit and loss account, and final account. If you have any query related to the final account, you can ask me freely. Thank you.